शलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषाय शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। There are two things here. First, understanding this as a goal, and then how to achieve. There are many people, for them, spiritual life means to sit peacefully somewhere, and some cave. There is some fellow, don't want to name him, some Ananda. Big cave is there, and they say he did meditation there. And people also go sit down. And what kind of, they do experience a benefit. But that benefit is only that for certain time they stop doing nonsense activities. That's all. There is no other tangible benefit. Just like a child is he is doing a lot of naughty activities. Correct? So you stop him for some time. ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಉಪದ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ತುಂಬ ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋ. ಲೈಕ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಯಶೋದ ಮದರ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಮನ ಇದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಉಪದ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಡಿಸೈರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಡಿಸೈರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೀಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಉಪದ್ರ, ಬಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. So most of the people, when they think about spiritual life, they can't even imagine what is the spiritual realm. Actually, our philosophy is very simple. People do not know what is the spiritual realm. Correct? They just think spiritual life means cessation of all the tensions, anxieties, all that I am having, literally removed. And mere smell of Krishna consciousness can do that without even attempting that. Prabhupada says, for a devotee, not for us, for a devotee, all the mukti, all this kind of peace, all the kind of wealth, everything is waiting, it's folded hands, just like outside. And we are busy, we don't even go to say, we want something. Waiting, folded hands, you want? He is not interested. He is just not interested in this. So this is actually the goal, but the point is how to achieve this goal. That my consciousness at every time, Prabhupada gives an example of Arjuna. He did not want to fight the war, personal account. But for Krishna, he fought with the best ability. This is not easy to understand. When people come to spiritual life, they come very impersonal. Just like you see, everything Prabhupada implemented, the paintings, the best. The temples, the best. Everything, the prasadam, the best. He has not gone into, generally you go to, look at the deities in ISKCON, can't compare, you see that. Nowhere the deities are decorated with this energy. Why? Because for him, many times I remember we were in Bangalore and people used to come, why such an opulent? Why not? Why not? For Krishna, everything should be so detailed and so wonderful. This, and there was once, I quote this example many times, devotees came to Prabhupada, they had just printed on volume of Bhagavatam, and that time there used to be great enthusiasm. Devotees would not sleep for days altogether to see that they can get it early, and in their temple when Prabhupada is going, before that, present that Prabhupada, that volume has just come. So they brought to Prabhupada, and it was a big occasion, everybody was watching. And Prabhupada opened the book, the binding fell off, it broke into pieces. The devotees felt very ashamed, And so Prabhupada, I think we should chant more seriously. Prabhupada said, no, you should more use your better intelligence, So we think that true. Krishna consciousness bring everything, but whatever we have, we should use it properly too. People do not know that. They, you go to many temples, the deities will be dressed in just one dhoti or one cloth, somehow put no proper decoration at all, and altar is dirty, the place is a mess. You've seen so many temples it is like that. And you go with the same batti, you will do arti, and then after 5 minutes, and then he will switch off that batti. The next person gives 2 rupees, he will again light it again. No, it's maintaining. But why such opulence? In fact, in America, Prabhupada told the devotees, by God's grace, you are so opulent, we should offer bhoga 50 times a day. Chappan bhoga. You must make it opulent. In fact, many temples, if you eat the Raj bhoga, you get shocked. They are offering so many items. We don't do it in India. And one of the devotees told me Los Angeles temple, because the Raj bhoga is some 20-25 items. It's a surprise. Every day they do that. So many dals. Why so many details? You look at the variety. When the movement started, Prabhupada used to personally cook an amazing feast. Personally. Why this variety? My point is here that if you do not present, generally what happens, people get ensnared, enchanted on the material variety, and it disturbs them so much, they become mentally harassed, and they become disgusted, frustrated. They say, Angur khatte. They then they hate variety, no variety. They want to go to a cave, so no variety. And they want to sit alone, no variety. They want to wear some simple cloth, no variety. And they just want to meditate on some supreme without variety. They are scared of variety because they got involved with variety, they got enchanted, ensnared, and they got stuck. Now Krishna consciousness says, bring all the varieties. We'll offer it to Krishna. Just like you're going to a garden and you got lost into varieties of roses and enjoying the roses, smelling. And finally at the end you are dry, you are frustrated, you say, I don't want anything. No, we don't say we don't want variety. Therefore you see temples, they should have beautiful gardens. The dresses should be so much detailed, correct? Why? In fact, when the paintings, devotees are making paintings, Prabhupada used to go to every detail. No, we should not have used this color. Why is he going to each detail? Yes, Krishna is served with variety. And when we cease to offer variety to Krishna, the same variety becomes a trouble for us. Vihaya kama, the kama can't be given away. But only thing is that the variety, it's like a simple example. When you go to buy a cloth for yourself, how much we are conscious of the variety? You want a mobile, how much you are conscious, that variety I want. Keep saying which is a new model, it's too expensive, perhaps I can purchase one day. Correct? We keep looking at the variety for ourselves. And we get ensnared and then we get stuck. But same way, when you are thinking of serving Krishna, think with variety. With ourselves, suppose you want to eat and somebody gives you some dry chapati. No, you want variety. It should be hot, it should have, it should be like a pulka, and there should be sabji hot, and there should be 4 items, 3 sabjis. We are so happy. When offering to Krishna, many people, offering to Krishna, they all don't offer bhoga. The idea of prasada is something simple. No, Prabhupada says you offer to Krishna with full variety. Then what happened? The variety will not be able to catch. The same variety which is troubling us will cease to trouble us. Because they're offering to the person who's the proprietor of all. Because variety is the mother of enjoyment. That's the psychology. Correct? So everything should be done perfectly. Prabhupada used to say, whatever you offer to Krishna should be more than first class. And for anything he saw little less standard, Prabhupada was never happy. Why? Why you are offering this quality? You should offer very nice. One time Prabhupada says, you can offer to Krishna one dry old flower. Why you have to offer fresh flower? Yeah, do that. And then your Krishna consciousness is gone. You will lose your Krishna consciousness. So therefore, we should, we offer garland. Why fresh garland? Why not one dry one, just hang it there? No. And then on top of it, we should feel that whatever variety we could get the best food, we could get the best dress, we could get everything best offered to Krishna. At the same time, we should feel that it is not adequate for Krishna's pleasure. Where we are, whatever we have done, it's not adequate. Krishna, please accept it. So this kind of focusing, because we see variety in this world which enchants us. So the Mayavadis, what they do, they close varieties. A devotee, he offers all the variety to Krishna in all the ways. Best food, music. Why not? We are using harmonium also. Why we are using variety, making it more and more sweet? Yes, offer to Krishna. Then it becomes very nice. Then it becomes very pleasing. Now this change of consciousness can occur by good sadhana. Okay? To get the strength to do it can occur by sadhana. Therefore, we should be very careful the sadhana time. Very attentively we should do the sadhana and just pray to Krishna to be able to offer wonderful service to the Lord today. Srila Prabhupada ki, Bhagavad Gita ki.